Then you could have played the ball là. You could have played the ball là and then Umbatha could have played the ball here. This was a beautiful cross. Beautiful cross. Yeah, look at where the striker is. Uzokora ni mfana ngithi if awukho eboxini. Yeah, he's our number 10. But now ufuna ukuza uzoncabuza ibhola. Stay in these areas. Stay. There's no need for you to be here. Still, Umaseko is there. Still, look at Umaseko. Likes going wide. You won't score, Mfanagit. Look what happens. See, attacker. We are in the final third. You still have Umaseko there. Uzokora kanjani? When will you score? Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Bafana 0, Nicaragua 0. Not a good game to watch. Hugo Bros, after the game, was complaining with this team they came to defend. Okay, Sharp, you are the ones who picked them. They are ranked number 100 and something. Obviously, they're going to come here and defend. They're not going to come here and try and want to play. And what do you do when the team is playing a low block? You don't make any adjustment. You just play and you continue. In the World Cup, we're not going to get a team that will give us a low block. We are going to share a ball position. Probably maybe we're going to have less of the ball. But let's say it happens, we have the ball more. Remember when we played against Egypt, they scored a goal, then they got a red card. Then Badlali low block. No adjustment, nothing whatsoever. Even in this game, you can see with this team they are playing a low block. You still play the same way. I see any game of it. Let's start. I don't have my high hopes for the World Cup. I don't. Hugo Bros, the style of play lesathanda ukusidlala having wingers abazohlala babakishima phambili, it doesn't work for us. Now, Bafana 4-2-3-1, right? But now they don't occupy the spaces. Let's start. Now this team, they're playing a 4-4-2. And this thing of everyone must get a touch. It's nonsense. Sorry for my word, but it's nonsense. When you get a chance, you have to utilize it. Now watch this. Kick off. Welcome to Matuludi. Look at the first touch. You are not thinking of going forward. We trap people also. Then we sell a move. The player is open here. Instead of trapping the ball, open your foot, open your body, paseli bola pambi. When you trap it so, we sell it bola pambi. Then you could have played the ball là. And then Umbatha could have played the ball here. Even Usibelebele nai, this thing of touching the line, it's not going to work. That's why we don't score a lot of goals. It's because our players are not inside the box. A lot. I'm gonna show you during the video. Could have been here Usibelebe. Okay, Sharp. Game continued. You see they have 4 here. They have 4. It tells you these guys, they are not going to press us. Now, what you should do, let me come this side. What you should do as the midfielders or the wingers, you need Usibelebele to be here. You need Umuremi to be here. Play in the pocket. I don't know why these guys don't like coming in the pocket. It's a modern football. You can't be staying emasaidini njalo. Yeah? You can't. Now, Sibelebele is where? Sibelebele, he's here. You have to play in the pocket, Bafit. Umuremi wants to run. Good. Then you have our striker coming in here. Also, Sokorani, why do you want to come and touch the ball? Stay there, Banagi. There's no reason. Yeah? You have I understand the game, players want to touch the ball. No, you have to be able to play game without having touches. As soon as you get the touch, you can finish. It's a very difficult thing to do, but it's not like it's not possible. Now, this is what's supposed to happen. Sibelebele draws in this player, and then you have Mathuludi outside. This is what should happen. Okay, first touch is not good. We keep the ball. Same thing, rotate the ball. Because ufuna ukugijima mfana ngithi tshela ntho yawo wena obatla umatha. There's not enough space for you, and I've said this before. Our midfielders are not good passers of the ball. They are not. Yes, in the midfield, maybe we didn't start with our regulars, but still, you must be able to pass the ball. Two players on the side there. Look at that pass. Look at Pega pass le injured. Pega pass le injured. What? Bafethu. Uzophula ama light. Look at this pass. Look at Pega pass le. Good idea, mara the pass bafethu. Hugo Bros thanda ama wingers that will stay out wide, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I just don't think it's the style that will suit us. Let me show you another clip. Pega, how many players are here? Let's just look how many players are away, and then look here. It doesn't make sense. That's why we won't get a lot of goals. And then you have Usibelebele here. You already have a player maningi la. Why do you want to come here? Why do you want to come there? Bafethu. If you are here as a winger, or an attacking player, umsebenzi okumele uwenze before you get a goal, it's a lot. So work smart, man. Work smart, not hard. Work hard, not smart. We need players that will play inside the pocket. You can't have a lot of players la. This guy is smart. The left back is smart. You can tell he's in Europe. You see, when we have players in the pocket, that's when you create danger. You create danger for our opponent. Ivalekile, okay, sharp. Vala, yadliwa login. Then we continue. We go to the other side. Now this guy is smart. Uyabona ukuthi uyi-1 la. Uyabona ukuthi uyi-1, and lo muntu lo ulontuzana. Umuremi is out there. Uyenzani? He tucks in. He did that a lot, even in the second half. Shows a smart defense. Not Mathuludi want to play on the side. Njalo uyagijima ufuna ukuyocrossa. Ucrossela abanye aboshoti. A lot of our players are not tactically smart, and I don't blame them. You have to blame the coaches that we have. You need to be tactically smart. Tactically or tactics, you are taught by the coaches, right? Technique, we have players that have technique, but tactically, they are not that smart. Now, this is what should happen. And you have Mathuludi here, then you have Usibelebele pushing in Udalela. Now you have our striker, which is a problem. You won't score a lot of goals in Panagiti if you are not inside the box. You watch Brian Leon, even though he's not a great finish, but he's always in dangerous position because he's a striker. When ufuna ukuzothinta ibhola, ufuna ukuzolinqabuza. Now watch what happens. Because everyone is focusing there. Umathuludi uyi-1 makes a run, makes a good run, and takes a shot. But look at our striker, Ugu. You are not inside. You just came inside the box. You won't score, Panagiti. Yeah. How many goals will you score if you are not inside the box? When you don't have your strong starting lineup, the players that are playing, what you want to see the same patterns of play as the other guys, the guys that normally play. If you look at the Sundowns on the left hand side, in the final they played Ulunga, but still he was playing those crosses that Umudiba usually plays for Brand Leon. Those are scripted plays. Everyone in the team needs to play there. Now, I think these are the things that Hugo Bros wants, but the regular guys, abadlalayo, police, it's not what they do, it's not their strength, right? Sharp. But now, for me, the penalty, okay, not a penalty, but I don't like seeing this. You have Usibelebele out here, you have Umatuli out here. We are not going to score a lot of goals, guys. I repeat, as a country, this Umatuludi should be here. Just like the previous video, Usibelebele should be here. You look at where is our striker. Angithi uzokora kanjani mfana kithi? These guys lava ba relaxile lava. Now, this was a beautiful cross. Beautiful cross. Yeah, look at where the striker is. Uzokora nini mfana kithi if awukho eboxini. Yeah? Abothemba Zwane baze bayakushiya. You need to be in the box. You are a striker. Second half, Hugo Bros made changes. Yeah, but still, hey, I'm afraid. Yeah, okay. Sharp. Ball comes to the left. Yeah, ball comes to the left. Lingena phakathi nendawo. Now, you have two players there. Look at this space, Esila. You have two players there. Umfukeng should be here. Then, Police, ungenile second half. He is the one that should be here. And then, watch Umfukeng uzokhalela ibhola because our midfielder wants to pass sideways all the time. Okay, Sharp. That's not his strength. Angithi Umfukeng uyajumpa, ibhola lenzani, ball goes wide. Still, there's no one inside the pocket. Now, it's easy for them to defend the ball like this. It's easy. Yeah, umeli ibhola ku touchline. Angeke ulithola ibhola so. Very difficult. Yeah? Very difficult for you to get the ball. Now, this boy is smart. The left back is smart. He knows there needs to be someone playing inside the pocket. Umfukeng is supposed to be here as a 10. Let the midfielders be the one about to collect the ball. That's why I say Umfukeng is not a 10. Because he likes to come into these areas. You still have our winger there. You have, look, there's two, Bafeju. Just watch this. Sizokora kanjani when you have a winger there? Jalo yena ufuna ukuye touchline. Watch. Umfukeng ukude khana azofika lapho. Look how many Jesus. Watch what happens. It's gonna be very difficult for us to score a lot of goals. Yeah, uzokora only one here and there. When you have your wingers staying jalo, they are there on the outside. The only positive thing I can take from this game is that the guys got minutes in their leagues. That's the only positive thing because this team was weak. You can't say Abu Mashiko played well against. It's like playing in Lesotho. Lesotho, hey, siyashisa. Suga. Aye. Now watch. You have to be in dangerous positions. Angithi batlere ball. Baya push. Now let me come this side. Baya push. Okay. Now, siya attack. Angithi. Now look at this space. You have Umfukeng. He's our number 10. But now ufuna ukuzoncabuza ibhola. Stay in these areas. Stay. There's no need for you to be here. No, there's no need for you, Mpanagiti. Yeah, Mashiko still there. Look, the space. Tactically smart. I'd rather have a Matthews than have a player who is dangerous. But uhlala le angaphandle. Udangerous kanjani? udangerous mara isibhamu sihleli endlini iyaliwa ngaphandle isibhamu sisendlini umara uthi wena udangerous hayi. Same thing, our police is here, the left back is here. Okay, sharp, continue, push ibola kakhulu, still uMaseko is there, still look at uMaseko, likes going wide, you won't score mfana kithi. Look what happens, siya-attacker, we are in the final third, you still have uMaseko there, uzokora kanjani? When will you score? Eh? Bafethu. Imagine had uMaseko be in imagine if uMaseko was here. Angithi you have uMathululi mfana kithi. Angeke say two. We can't see two bafethu sibambe iline eyi-1. We can't. Imagine if he was here. Yeah? Then he makes the run. Makashaya. Easily he can challenge for the ball. Easily he could have challenged for the ball. Ashai. Because you are out there, out wide. Ukasikori today, boy. I should have let that video continue. Now watch this thing. Watch again. Apolicia shy, angithi. Sharp. They clear the ball. He still wins and he wants to go back there. There's no Tuludi there. Stay, Mfana kithi. Yeah, there's no one here. But look what Umbatha does. Because Sithole will always stay. He's not good in terms of training up. Now, sharp. Siyadlala. Attacking the space Umbatha. Now, there's no one here still. We are a team that likes to play short passes. Yeah? Watch what happens. Yeah. Should have passed the Urenas. But he's a striker. Strikers are greedy. Umashiko Gupi, we are attacking. Where is Umashiko? We are attacking. We see an attacker. The ball is in the middle. See an attacker. When Ulapaya. Bafethu. There's a reason why he didn't make it to Sundowns. This is the reason. You can't. Tactically, you need to be smart. Yes, you have a good left foot. But you can't njalo when ufuna ukuthola ibhola bese uyagijima. You want to take no. Final clip bese ngiyayivala guys. I know ukuthi in the first half we had a penalty, we missed it, then Nomshishi had a chance to score. Ne? I know omunye umuntu uzothi had we scored those chances the game will change. Yes, you are right. It could have changed. But what you want to see from team yakho is players doing the right thing. Whether you score 1-0, 2-0, or 0-0, or even 10-0, you just want to see them doing the right things. That's when you'll say, no, we had a good game. From the first minute until the last minute. You understand? That's what we need to see. Now, in this clip, there is where Umashiko, he sees, no, I need to go there. I need to be in the half spaces. Let me play this. Now watch Umbatha here. He recognizes Guti. I'm not going to say too as midfielders because these guys they are not pressing us. Ugupu Umbatha, he's in the half space. He's in the half space. Now watch what happens. Beautiful pass. Unfortunately, Mfuke wenzani push ibola kakhulu. Okay, the ball is still ours. Let's keep it. Now, watch Umaseko what he does. He recognizes ukuthi uMathululi is there. There's no need for me ukuthi ngibe laphaya. Uza kuphi? Uza la. Okay, sharp. Vala yadliwa lokugini. Still, they block it. Sharp. It goes wide. Into esiyenzayo sifuna space. Wenzani uMashiko? He comes, he gets the ball. Now you are closer to the goal line. Not good, you must be on the outside. It's too much work for you. For me, it was disappointing. Hugo Bros Kasa guys sisiphilile. Thank you for watching bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga.